Whoa. Out of here. What? Still not a threat. Out of here. Hey, yo, I just realized, bro. The Diddy plants done upgraded. They ate some eggplants and turning more Diddy-fied. Oh, heck nah, bro. Hey, yo. Crash, bro. The Diddy plans got to you, gang. Come on, man. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's welcome your host, Rob the Entertainer. Yeah. We put belt to booty last episode. Now he's falling. He's falling. Oh, look at this loser. Ew.
Crystals.
Bro, he's tweaking out over lean crystals.
No.
That's what you get, stupid. 1 year. Uh-oh.
Dr. Cortex.
What in the cinematic?
Full power. We need not only your master crystal, but also the remaining 25 slave crystals from this.
Is that the dude from Notre Dame?
To retrieve
Igor from Notre Dame.
You fool.
Man.
Do you think I'm unaware of the situation?
Shut up.
We don't have any frames left on the surface. Then we'll need to find an enemy.
Oh, I'm here, buddy. I'm here. We're ready for you. Me and my little sister Coco. Riding together.
Battery is fried. Make yourself useful, big brother, and bring an extra battery for me.
Yeah, I got you, sis. No, it's crazy, bro. Okay. Listen. I don't rap, gang. I'm not Corey Kinsey, and I'm not Dashy, bro. What y'all thought this was? Bro, but nah, bro. I can slide. What? I ain't gonna lie to you. I pushed L1. I did not. That's cold. Stupid. I can slide. I never played Crash. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. I never played past Crash Bandicoot 1. So this is a new experience for me. Hey, bro. Cortex about to feel me. I don't know who he thought. He's about to stay alive, but I'm here. Yeah, I'm about to go cold with this. What in the world? We got different portals now. Alright, bro. They doing too much. They doing too much. What they got me doing?
Well. If it isn't Crash Bandicoot, welcome.
Shut
I
up.
apologize for the crude means used to bring you here, but I'd rather expect a written invitation would have been turned down. I
Don't
need
worry,
your
we'll get to
help.
you. You need our help.
Surrounding you are a series of 5 doors.
Help.
Through each door lies a well-hidden crystal. The crystals look like this. Bring me the crystals, Crash. That is all I will say for now.
Why would I
We
help?
will speak again.
Why would I help you? What you got me doing, Cortex? Why would I help you? You about to show him. We're gonna start out with this. Whatever this is. We're gonna start out this low. Yeah. I like this music. I really like this music. Listen, bro, like I was saying, bro, we gotta show Cortex. You know what I'm saying? I ain't want to play. Oh, that stops you. Oh my goodness. Us. What they got me doing? Okay. Bro, jump on the box. Listen, bro, I'm excited. I already like the game so far. Us. Bro, this is pretty easy. Man. Oh, heck nah. I don't like that. See, they try to get me with that little gap. I'm locked in. Yo. Oh, but what? Again, what is his plan with these crystals, bro? I gotta know. Wait, don't tell me. They got Twana in here? What? Hold up. That was stupid. No, we gonna do this. Come on. That shouldn't have been the thing. Us. 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 Oh, nah. They can't have us doing these bonus levels and I don't see Twana, bro. That's gonna be a problem right quick. 44 boxes is in that level. Whoa, buddy. Okay, now they added extra stuff. Y'all saw the little speed boost? Hey. Us. Yup, use that. Oh, that's not to my advantage. That's not to my advantage. That's not to my advantage. Us. Listen, that's our first death. If y'all think about it, that's really our first death for real. Come on now. Listen. We not new to this, bro. We true to this. Come on now, baby. First, man, only died once. If you count the bonus, it was really two, but that don't matter. You know what I'm saying? I'm not collecting. What am I collecting crystals for this fool for?
Well done, Crash. I knew I could
Shut up.
trust you. Now listen carefully. Please follow the how to maintain. During the course of my intellectual pursuits,
Oh my goodness. Holy yap. Holy yap, bro. Shut up, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Get past the yap. Oh my goodness. Listen, I'll go back and watch this. I don't skip it for y'all, cause I ain't like to. You already hear me yet. I don't like the turtles. Mr. Turtle, I'm sorry. I'm not touching you no more. I'm sorry. Mr. Turtle don't look. Oh! Yeah, Mr. Turtle don't look Mr. Turtle don't look too nice now in this one. I think I'm good. Idiot. Oh, you could touch on the. Man, Mr. Turtle, you still weak. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I learned my lesson from last game. I'm straight. I'm straight off that. Big Buddha Bagats, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Let's. Time out. Resume. Oh, see, yeah, Mr. Turtle, you dangerous, gang. You got that. That's all you, bub. I respect you. You I don't know who it you is. Ugly rat possum, that's what you are. Like, make cat noises. You're not a cat, bro. Make up your mind on what animal you want to be. Wow. I really like this new level. I ain't gonna tell you, I'm feeling this. I'm digging this. Us. Come on now. Us. Yeah. What's the other way then? Dang. Bro, what the what am I supposed to do, bro? Okay. I'm sorry. What exactly do you want me to do? Sing my Sparkle song? What? Bro, this is literally a death trap. I'm going back. Nope. Nope. Oh, both ways lead this way. That's comforting. Bro. Excuse me? Okay. Say better camera. I hate bugs. Ew. Come on now. I don't know what that was. Again, they be trying to set me up. This. Oh, I can crawl. Oh yeah, that was special, Robert. Us. I hope I don't lose lives for that. Oh, free life. Okay, no, I didn't. Okay, cool. Here we go with another one of these bugs. Bugs. That was calculated. A term used in Rocket League for my Rocket League players out there. Listen, I'm comp, bro. I didn't even see half of them. Look at the belly dive. Yeah. Oh, what's up? Do that. Yeah. I jumped on his head, man. Come on. Bro, these moles though, it's quite annoying. Quite annoying indeed. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, what? Yeah. See, that's why I gotta experiment more. Look. Yeah, a little bit harder. You know what I'm saying? But that's on me. No, this ain't that hard. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make sure I'm smooching the mic. Ugh. Oh, y'all see the little gems? Yeah, nah. At least we didn't get Mr. Dr. Yap Cortex, bro. In my ear, bro. Oh, heck nah. Let's, come on now. Oh, am I gonna see Happy? Happy a robot fish now. What? Boom. Yeah. Come on. Let's. Just because you purple doesn't mean, and you got that lean in you, doesn't mean nothing. Whoa. Us. I like this. Oh, yeah. To boost. Hey, no need to be boosting. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, now. Yo. Yo. Slow and steady wins the race. Let me get out, bro. Whoa. Out of here. What? Still not a threat. Out of here. Hey, yo, I just realized, bro. The Diddy plants done upgraded. They ate some eggplants and turning more Diddy-fied. Oh, heck nah, bro. Y'all is not seeing my sister, bro. That's not happening. I'm not letting my sister go through that. Oops. Hey, yo. Crash, bro. The Diddy plans got to you, gang. Come on, man. Bounce, bounce. That's the slowest bounce. Like, it feel like the bounces is slower, bro. I want to say bounce, 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 bounce. Nice level. I keep my conscience, but it keeps on going. Is that a hip hop? It's my peoples. Okay. That's what I get for insulting the hippo. Yeah. Okay, so what am I supposed to do then? Oh, I just didn't do it right. Yo. 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 Okay, hoverboard's on. Yo. Yo. Us. Okay. 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 What? Certified surfer, bro. Come on now. Stop playing with me. Easy. Bro, we moving through these levels. Let me shut up before I go through a trial and tribulation beat. Yo, big crystal. Oh my goodness, here comes the Yap. Yap. Okay, okay. I'm doing your bidding. I understand. What was that? Oh, that's tough. Like that. Snow go. We getting a snow level? I said, what? We said so.
Yeah, we're gonna put a stop to that. Effective immediately. You thought that I was gone? Nobody. I will always be your number one hater.
Yeah, I can. Whoa, buddy. Look at, bro. What did Flight say? They stealing my moves. Yo. This. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. I'm good off that. Does it crack? I don't think I want to step on this, so I'm not. Yeah, that's a setup. That's for sure. Us. Yo, I don't know how you get the gems in here. Listen, I just want to see what happens. No. Go to the TNT. Bro, it won't let me jump on it. Yo. Oh, the ice didn't break. Yup. Oh, come on now. Y'all just like the squirrels, but worse. Us, dodge. Come on now. New to this. I'm not new to this, man. Oh, absolutely not, Nitro. I still don't understand what that does, but I'm not about to find out. Get out of my face. Okay, I can bounce on their heads. Come here. Yeah, that would have been good to know. I can kick them too? Oh yeah, for sure. That was stupid of me. Bounce. Bounce. Dang, bro. I'm telling you, these bounces is... Let's not do this stupid stuff. I'm not skipping over no bounces. I'm sorry. You gotta get all the bounces and berries. Go and do a spin. Like your Ninjago. Bounce. Bounce. Still don't know how that works. Bro, get the apple, hungry? Yes! I tried something new and it worked out. Oh, yup. Yup. Come on. Bring in a pretty little head. Well, I trust it. Us. I like how they did the bonus. I'm not gonna lie. I like the new the switch up. I thought I couldn't reach that. Come on now. That was done to me. It's okay. It's okay though. I'm gonna do this again. We're gonna beat it this time. That's not beating it. Let's try it again. Bounce, bounce. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I can't even make it that way. Yo, that wasn't hard. Only messed up the first time because I'm sailing. Come on now. Project me back up. So, 74 boxes. Where? Did y'all see 74 boxes, or was the 74 boxes with us along the way? Come back here, buddy. Let me talk to you. Come here. You are mine. Big checkpoint. Come on now. Okay, Happy Feet. Come here. Head is mine. Let's bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah. Oh, look, it's a pretty shiny crystal. Whoa, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Why'd you put me back on? Just because. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be Ninjago on this biscuit or not. You can either be my Zane or not. You know what I'm saying? Culture people will understand that reference. Yeah. 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 Come on now. Come on now. Us. So much fruitaceous fruits and berries. Yeah. Us. Yeah. I like that. I like the music track. Oh, yeah. Next level. All right. Was that 4? Was that 4? That was 4. I think that was 4. Did we do the 5th one? I mean, we got all the crystals here. Do we do the 5th one? We do the 5th one. No. No. But y'all will see me in the next episode. Now, before you go, you know we have to give glory to God, right? And today I want to talk about 2 Corinthians 5, verse 16 through 17. And before this verse, Paul was talking about how he's motivated to bring Christ to the kingdom, not because he just loves God, because he knows God, right? Stay with me. He knows how great and glorious God is, and he knows how loving and life-changing God is. So he wants to bring the people to God so they can also reap the benefits of God, of knowing him, of loving him, right? I'm sorry. Yeah, he knows that the obedience and worshiping of God is for your benefit. But we go a little bit further, and now Paul is talking about Jesus. How he sent his son to die on the cross. No, not his son. I'm sorry. Himself in the flesh to die on the cross. So that me and you may live a better future. Me and you have a purpose for life. That nobody got away from this. Everybody, yes, everybody from now into the future. Everybody that's currently in a womb right now. Everybody that's around the world. We're all in the same boat. He bought us with a price. He bought us with a price so that me and you can live better. But nah, this context from this chapter flows so much well into this verse in 2 Corinthians 5, verse 16 through 17, where it says, "So from now on we regard no one from a worldly point of view. Therefore we once regarded Christ in this way. We do so no longer. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone, the new is here." Right. This means that the old you is no longer. When Christ gets inside you, it's a new creation. That means all the things you got from last time, your sin, your drugs, your money, your pornography, you keep on going. The list stays going. Your anger issues, the way you hate people for no reason. That all changes. That all is thrown out the window when Christ comes inside your life. You start to walk different. Your peers around you, your friends around you start to see, oh, that's not Robert. Who's that? You start to move with a different type of, I don't know, no burdens on you. It's like it's lifted off your shoulders. Start to walk with love. You're a new creation. Your life is no longer, actually you was living in death, but now you have a life. Now your life is here. Now life is here. Now you start to change. Now you start to spread God's goodness and God's love and God's grace and God's everything that he done for you. You start to spread that to other people. And other people start to spread that to other people as they get engrafted with the word inside them. And this is where all of us start to change for the better. Also, we can give glory back to God, and he can do what he always has done, bring goodness in the lives of his believers. Yeah. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day. God bless.